Say goodbye to all that pet hair. Congratulations on your purchase of the Fur-Eel and the Fang. Let's go over a few things that'll really make it easier for you to use. There's 3 rules to using it. Don't apply too much pressure. That will trap the hair against the carpet and not let the suction remove it. Always go one way. Otherwise, you'll pull the hair out and push it back in. Never go back and forth quickly. Use a static neutralizer or friction reducer like our eel venom, available on our website, or even some glass cleaner will help. It's amazing how well this works. Don't try to go quickly as you remove the hair. Go slowly and let the hair line up linearly, and the suction can pull it right away. This combined with light pressure so as not to trap it against the carpet, then go back the other way to clean up any leftovers. Enjoy your Fur-Eel, and remember, with us, there's no more bad hair days.